Hello, continue 3 days. I am representing about the refraction, laws of refraction, absolute refractive index and relative refractive index. And now today I am coming with you bending of light ray. We have already studied about there are two laws of refraction. Here we derive only by the help of Snell's law. We know that Snell's law, the index and product of angle of incident, other medium, refractive index and the refracted angle. Now, according to Snell's law, we can write the relation between bending of the light ray depends upon mu1 sin I is always equal to mu2 sin R. On this basis, we come to here sin I upon sin R is mu2 upon mu1. Is it clear? But I am badly clarified about why a light ray is bending when it passes one to another medium. Therefore, according to Snell's law, number one, when light ray passes from rare to denser medium, denser medium, there is two mediums, mu d is always greater than mu r, and angle of I is greater than angle of R. For this, mu d upon mu R, denser and rarer medium, air to water, when a light ray enters, that is always greater than 1, कहने का मतलब है कि जब कोई प्रकाश की किरण रेयरर मीडियम से डेंसर मीडियम में प्रवेश करती है तो इंसिडेंट रे क्यू पॉइंट से परपेंडिकुलर की तरफ मुड़ जाती है. द बेंडिंग ऑफ इंसिडेंट रे इन वाटर मीडियम towards the perpendicular. In this way, angle I is greater than angle R. So, when medium is changed of a propagated incident ray, that either of bending towards the perpendicular or far away the perpendicular. Now point 2 for the figure second. Here we draw a diagram. Incident ray is coming from denser to the rarer. Denser to the rarer. Denser to the rarer. In this phenomena, when a beam of light ray incidented from denser medium to the rarer medium, it refracted and go away from the perpendicular in this way, according to Snell's law. Sin I upon sin R is equal to mu R upon mu D. Rarer index by denser index, which is larger than 1. Index point is larger to the 1. In this way, angle I is larger to angle R. That is define the change in medium of incident ray when rarer to denser, it bending towards the perpendicular as a refractive ray, and when a beam of light incidented from the denser to the rarer, then refracted ray far from the perpendicular and makes an angle of refraction which magnitude is maximum to the angle of incident. Angle I is larger to the angle R. So it bending towards the perpendicular if their I is greater than R, and if I is larger to R, their refractive ray is far from the perpendicular. It means rarer to denser. Rarer to denser, bending towards the perpendicular. And D2R, denser to rarer. Refracted ray away from the perpendicular. Here angle I is greater than angle R and angle I is larger than angle R. Today I would explain about the bending of light ray by which phenomena. If incident medium has lower index, that bending towards the higher index, and if incident ray medium has maximum index that makes a large angle of refraction in the rarer medium. So thanks for your continuous attendance in the class, and I would like to again share, subscribe and like the channel.